In today's video, I will walk you through how to customize invoices, quotes, purchase orders, and receipts in Xero. To begin, go to the top bar of your Xero dashboard and click on Sales. This is where you'll find the settings related to your sales documents. After selecting Sales, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click on Sales Settings to open the section where you can manage your sales preferences and document templates. Once you're in Sales Settings, select Invoice Settings. This is the area where you can edit your existing invoice templates and customize your branding themes. It also lets you make changes that apply to several customer-facing documents, so they have a consistent appearance. If you want to create a new branding theme, click on New Branding Theme. When it opens, you'll notice that it comes with default values already filled in. These are only starting values, so you can replace them with the details that better match your business and the way you want your documents to look. As you customize the branding theme, you can update the titles used throughout your documents. This includes the invoice title, credit note title, statement title, purchase order title, and quote title. If you prefer to use a different title, such as changing quote to estimate, you can make that adjustment here so it appears on your documents. Continue through the available fields and enter the details you want to include. You can add payment services if needed, update your terms and payment advice, and include your contact information. Review each section carefully and replace any default information with the details that are appropriate for your business. Take a moment to go through everything you've entered and make sure each title and detail is correct. Since these settings will be used across your financial documents, it's worth checking that everything appears the way you want before saving your changes. Once you've finished customizing the branding theme and entered all the required details, click Save. Your customized settings will now be applied, and your invoices, quotes, purchase orders, and receipts will use the updated branding and information you've selected. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.